Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As you all are aware, कि within 2 months, your entrance exams are scheduled. 26 अप्रैल को जिपमेट, then May 5 को रोहतक, then May 12 को इंदौर. And अभी इसके साथ साथ बोर्ड्स भी चल रहे हैं. So I know like it is quite hectic for you to manage all these things simultaneously. But again, all the efforts which you are putting in your preparations will be worth. सो एज यू आर अवेयर कि बहुत सारे न्यू आईएम्स हैं जिन्होंने भी अभी अपना प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया है. आई एम अमृतसर, सिरमौर, बैंगलोर ने भी लॉन्च कर दिया था. एंड दे आर हाईली स्पेकुलेशन दैट कोईकोट भी अपना प्रोग्राम लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है. सो दिस वीडियो विल बी स्पेसिफिकली फॉर योर VARC प्रिपरेशन. In this video, I'll tell you कि तुमको अभी it's approx 2 months remaining for your examination. So in this video, I'll tell you कि तुमको क्या क्या चीज करनी है. Completely breakdown of your strategy, which you guys need to follow at this like from this moment only, and that will really help you to gain very high marks in the VARC section. As you know, guys, कि हर एक entrance में there are the 3 sections. First is quants, second is LR, and third is VARC. If I talk about particularly in a VARC section, so ये वो section है जिसमें तुमको continuous practice की need है. First you gain the concepts, then you have to do practice again and again. Then only you will be in a position where you can nail the VAR section बहुत अच्छे से. तो अभी ना 2 months बाकी है और अभी तुमको इन 2 months से ही अपने ना जो VARC की प्रैक्टिस है वो तुमको कंसिस्टेंटली करनी पड़ेगी. सो फॉर दिस, as we have promised in earlier video also, that we are coming up with a very बहुत अच्छी चीज that will help you. So we have launched our website www.ipmtalks.in. If you go to the website, so you will find a lot of useful things for your preparation. And in the end of the video, I have also attached one tutorial. So please, like, that will help you to like how to navigate on the website. So stay till the end of the video. So let's get into the VARC section, how we have to nail this section. So let's get into the VARC strategy. So we have divided the VARC into the 3 components, starting with the vocabulary, second is reading comprehension, and third is grammar. So as promised earlier that we will provide you the detailed structure of the VARC course. We have launched our website, and in the course which we are providing you is the centering, like हमने जो course provide कर रहे हैं उसमें we have taken care कि how you guys can prepare for the vocab, RC and grammar section, which is the important for the VARC. So starting with the vocabulary section, that word power made easy is of the recommended thing which you guys need to do it. We have added the timetable that in the 20 days you need to complete the word power made easy. Along with that, in our course, we have added the commonly confused words, frequently used words, idioms and phrases, phrasal verbs, root words, or trending trending vocabulary. All these contains the the vocabulary part. If I talk about the previous paper, the JIPMAT and the IPMAT Rohtak, there have been instances जहाँ पे direct questions आ गए हैं the vocabulary के, and that carries a very weightage, like a very high weightage. So it becomes very important for you to have तुमको पूरी vocabulary आनी चाहिए. Second, starting with the RC. So what we are providing in the RC is, initially before attempting any RC, we are giving the tips. Along with that, we have bifurcated the RC into 2 parts, starting with the level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is usually tested in the JIPMAT and Rohtak, and level 2 is for the Indore. Along with that, we will be adding you in a group in which you guys on the daily basis will receive the articles from the diverse aspects. It will be related to the environmental, related to the politics, geopolitics, sports, and many more sections. Third is the grammar. In the grammar, as you guys aware कि articles, voices, direct and indirect, pronouns, ये सब चीजें होती है. So initially we are starting with the general concepts, general rules which are applied to the grammar. Then we have again divided it into the 2 level 1 and level 2. Level 1 will be mainly aiming for the easier to the moderate, and level 2 will be the moderate to the hard side. So let's get into the tutorial that how you can access all those things on our website.
First, head over to ipmtalks.in. That will take you straight to our site. Once you are there, navigate to the courses section and tap on the verbal ability. Get now. You will find 3 powerful packages tailored to enhance your skills. First is the Vocab Booster, perfect for mastering 450 plus high frequency words, 300 plus root words, 240 plus similar sounding words, and many more. Second is VA practice material, includes LOD 1, 2, and 3 questions, 60 plus topic wise practice questions, topic wise tips and strategies. And the third is the best VA Excellence Kit, the ultimate combo. You get both Vocab Booster and VA practice sheets and plus direct guidance from 99 plus percentile to maximize your learning. So what are you waiting for? Visit ipmtalks.in, start your journey today, and take your preparation to the next level.